What's up, Trinity? I'm Stephen Mack, and it's Spring Break Friday. We've had a great first week of the fourth quarter with students and teachers jumping into hands-on assignments, interactive projects, and engaging lesson plans. Juniors running for 2024 senior class officers had a chance to campaign to their classmates about the positions they were running for. Congratulations to both the Lacrosse and Volleyball Rocks on big wins over St. X this week.
Raise your voice and shout it wherever you may be. May our love be known to all our love for Trinity.
Have a great spring break, Trinity family. We'll return on Tuesday, April 11th, a white day. Go Rocks!